Hi, today we're going to be learning about the standard algorithm strategy for multiplication. So let's begin. Our first problem is 78 times 8. Our first step is to write it out. I would write 78 on the top, multiplied by 8 on the bottom. Next, I would multiply my bottom ones with the top ones. So my bottom ones are 8, my top ones are 8. I would do 8 times 8, which is 64. So I would put my 4 in the ones place and carry my 6 over to the top of the tens place. Next, I would do 8 times 7, which is 56. We would do this because the third step is to multiply the bottom ones with the top tens. So now I would do 56 plus 6, which is 62. And my answer is 624. Let's try another problem. 88 times 46. I encourage you to pause the video and solve it. So our first step was to write it out. So I would write 88 on the top and 46 on the bottom. Our second step was to multiply the bottom ones with the top ones. This would be 6 times 8. I would put my 8 here and carry my 4 over to the top of the tens place. Next, I would multiply my bottom ones with the top tens. So that would be 6 times 8, which is 48, and I would have to add this 4 up, which would be 52. Now I need to multiply my bottom tens. So I would put a 0 here in the ones place. Next, I would multiply the bottom tens with the top ones. So that would be 4 times 8, which is 32. I would write a 2 here. I would carry the 3 over, and I would cross off the 4. Next, I would do 4 times 8, which would be 32, and I would add a 3, which would be 35. I would put a 5 here and a 3 here. Next, to find my answer, I would add these up. So I would put an 8 here. I would put a 4 here because we're adding 5 plus 5 is 10. So I would put a 0 here, carry over my 1, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So this is equal to 4,048. Thank you for watching my video as the standard algorithm multiplication strategy. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.